Hello everyone. Today we want to show you how to install Top Palace plug and play speaker to Produk MIVI Generation 3. First, take off the top plastic cover, then, loose the door handle screw and pull the trim towards you. By using panel removal tools, slowly slip the tool underneath the panel switch, and pull it upwards until it dismantle. Unplug power window switch connector from the panel switch, loose 2 screws that attach the door trim, and the door panel. Pull the door trim towards you, start from the bottom to the top, slide up the door trim to remove it completely. Now you can see the OEM speaker. Loose all 3 screws that attach the speaker to door panel. Unplug the socket wire from the speaker connector. Plug the OEM socket to Top Palace speaker socket. As for the tweeter, you can put it at each corner of the dashboard. Plug the blue socket to component speaker socket. Then, tighten back all 3 screws to secure the position of the speaker. Now, your car should look like this. To put back the door panel, slide it from top, and push the clips to their designated locations. Tighten the 2 screws. Connect the power window switch socket, and place the panel to the door trim. Slide the door handle trim and align the screw hole. Tighten the screw and you are done.